Hi, Nishu.
Hi, Kuju ma'am.
So it's good to have you in my community, and I know that you are doing good. But I want to know from you what has been your experience till now.
Sure. I was a person who was never inclined towards stock market. And I had my family as having that mindset कि नहीं, stock market is not something that you should do or one should do. However, I just took one or two trades by my own self and I realized that it's not the methodology if you do it right. अभी तो I took myself, then only I make some amount. If I invested like 10,000, I made like 13,000 just by here and there. Then I realized that if you do it properly, then probably there is more than what we actually think about. So I came across you on Instagram, and when I joined the course, my entire mindset has changed, and it is not like what people think about stock market, especially girls. I think we are more mindful when we do trades. So like for an example, you do for us, like you explain us, teach us in a way that we are so confident that even a girl can do it and we can do it way better than others. So I'm very very happy learning, because there is no limit to learning. Like you teach us in a way, आप इतने अच्छे से सिखा रहे हो, इतने अच्छे से आप टीचिंग करते हो कि उसकी बिल्कुल हम एग्जैक्ट पता कर जाते हैं कि what is going to happen next. So that ways I'm very very thankful to you that I've literally made good money also, and I hope to make more. So yeah.
All the best. I know
Thank
that you are going to make lots and lots of money. It won't be money, it will be wealth. I just want to know since how long you have been so that others can also know. And second question, what you have made out of it?
So it's just been 2 months, and the other day I was checking my portfolio, and there is a report where we can check. So I checked that I did not invest a lot of amount, but still I have made around 1.5 lakhs in swing trading only.
Wow.
I did not do a lot of FNO and other things because it is new to me. But in swing also, without any tension, if you know the right entry and the right exit, you can make good money, and without sitting and tracking it, you can make good money. So I've made very good money in just the 2 months of span, wherein I was not very active also in some days. But then also I'm very happy with what I have made with a very small investment. Gradually I am planning to increase my investment and make more.
Very good. Superb. So I'm very happy for you. If my students get success, then that is my success. And I have been saying this thing repeatedly in class that the moment you succeed, that will be my success. So I'm very happy for you, and keep on shining, keep on doing the good work, keep on learning, and I know that you will crack in futures and options big time, because as you said, girls are literally mindful, yes, while trading, because they know कि ये पैसे को थोड़ा संभाल के रखना है.
संभाल के रखना है. Right.
But boys are also equally doing good in my community, so
Yes.
let's not give all credit to girls, but
Yeah.
definitely we all
Yeah,
are
I
going
think it is
to.
something housewives and women who are educated can do from home also. You don't have to go outside. Even if you have a kid, you have a family, you can still manage this. I would certainly say that women who are housewives can do, and your course is all online. It is no tension. You have a mentor to guide you always with all the steps. So I think anybody who wants to should definitely join you, and the result is anyways going to speak for itself. We are sure about it. मतलब पैसे तो बन ही जाएंगे अब तो. So one thing I would like to tell, recently I was talking about this to my family, cousins in my family of my same age group, and they are like, जब आपका हो जाएगा, जब लॉस कर लोगे, जब बताना. मैंने बोला जब तक आप मेरे से 6 महीने बाद पूछेंगे ना, तब तो मैं बहुत ऊपर चले जाऊंगी. तो अभी फ्री का ज्ञान है, तो शायद यू आर नॉट फीलिंग दैट इम्पोर्टेंस, बट डेफिनेटली आई एम वेरी श्योर विद यू एंड योर गाइडेंस it will definitely multiply.
Definitely it will multiply, and it won't be only for you, it will be for your family or kid, and means generation to come.
Yes.
So it won't just get stuck. So this is just the beginning, and after a
Right.
few days, few months, definitely your cousins will also think that
Yes.
I
Yeah.
should have given some respect to the
Right.
learning and the earning. That
Right.
yes,
Yes.
that happens. That is part and parcel of life. Whenever you meet, 99% of people will say like this only, and it's you who take it, courageously, and have lots of patience and dedications. And those who have all these things can only crack.
Right.
That's it. So superb to know that you are doing really very well. And let everyone, means my mission is this only, that everyone should make this money sitting at home, and just by learning, giving some time to this course, they can make money. And you are one of the example of this, a successful example. And I want everyone to be like you, making money at home and
Yeah.
taking care of family, taking care of kid and everyone in the family. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is
Thank you.
just the beginning.
Yes,
And,
it is. Yes,
we
long
will
way
make
to
it
go.
really very big. Yes,
Yes.
long way to go. Okay, thank you so much, Nishu.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, I wanted to tell you this, that in general what happens is, हर कोई ये बोलता है कि जब भी मैंने स्टॉक मार्केट किया तो हमने अच्छा खासा लॉस कर लिया. किसी से भी जनरल किसी से पूछते हैं तो बोलते हैं हमने बहुत खाए, उसके बाद ठोकर, उसके बाद जाके नाउ वी आर स्टेबल. बट इन माई केस आई वुड से आई एम वेरी 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 फॉर्चुनेट कि कम से कम प्रॉफिट जो किया वो एक साइड बात रखते हैं कि आई हैव बीन वेरी लकी कि मैंने 2 महीने में एक अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमाया. बट उससे ज्यादा लकी एंड थैंकफुल मैं इस चीज के लिए हूँ कि एटलीस्ट मैंने कुछ गवाया नहीं. बिकॉज लोग स्टॉक मार्केट में शुरू में आते हैं, लालच करते हैं, they tend to the money attracts and they want to just कि बस आ जाए and that ways they lose a lot of money. एंड वो हमारे लोगों के साथ जब एक अच्छा मेंटर होता है, एक टीचर होता है, तो वो चीज़ हमारे साथ आई ही नहीं. मतलब आई डिड नॉट, आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ सेइंग दिस दैट आई हैव नॉट लॉस्ट अ सिंगल पेनी. रिगार्डलेस आई हैव अर्नड गुड, वेरी गुड. बट हाँ, मैं उनमें से नहीं हूँ जो बोलेगा स्टॉक मार्केट में आके मैंने बहुत थोड़े ठोकर खाए. नहीं खाए, क्योंकि आप थे and you have been guiding and teaching in a way that we have gone through that. And now since I'm a profit maker and I know कि मैं आपके साथ चलती जाऊंगी ट्रैक पे, तो I'll make more.
I'm so blessed that I got good students. That is also very important. Like-minded people होना बहुत जरूरी है. The way I think, if you don't think, then it's not possible for me also to take it ahead. So
Right.
I'm also very blessed that I have got good students so that I can pass on my message, my knowledge to you all. So thank you so much, Nishu,
Thank
for
you. Thank you.
all the blessings and good words that you have said just now. Thank you for that.